How they create the Orton effect to make dreamy images in Photoshop. The Orton effect is a way to make your images look dreamy, or fantasy. It is used quite often in editing because it makes images simply look soft and super easy to do. Let's get started. Duplicate the layer, then right-click on it, and convert into a smart object. Once done, head to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Select anything, you can change it in a bit. Change the blending mode of that layer either to screen, overlay, multiply, or soft light. Whatever works best for your image. I will select screen here. You can now go ahead and reopen the blur option of your smart object, and adjust the blur and opacity until your image looks dreamy for you. Duplicate the layer and change the blending mode to soft light. Now reduce the opacity as your image needs. My highlights are now blown out. For reducing the highlight, from Layer Style, I select the blending options. From Underlying Layer, I drag the slight slider to the left. Once I see a change, I hold the Alt key, separate this little anchor, and therefore soften the edge a bit. That's it. Subscribe Ali Yauser graphic channel for more Photoshop tips and tricks.